How to fix Instagram enable to use effects on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram enable to use effects on Android phone. First, open settings and scroll down until you find here battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. Let's move to the next step. Go to apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then click permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iOS iPhone, just open settings, click general, iPhone storage, and then select Instagram and click offload. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and see if there's an update here, and if you can't find any update, click on install and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.